Precalculus class. Today I will introduce the domain and range of logarithmic function. All right. This it's a easy problem. What is the range of the logarithmic function? We have this graph here. We are gonna find the answer looking for this graph. Before, let me explain to you what I mean domain. So remember what is the domain and what is the range. So domain. So domain is of a function is the set of all possible values of x. Or possible x values. So this is the domain. What about range? Range. So range is of a function is the set of all possible y values. So that's very important. Okay, it's another thing for the logarithmic function. For the logarithmic function, we have y. We have here y equals a log of x minus h plus k. Okay, log with the base b. Okay, here the domain is here. Domain is something like this. Psi x such x is greater than h. Okay. So this means that all real numbers are to the right of the vertical. Right. So right of the vertical. Remember this asymptote. Okay. So this is the domain, and then the range is range is all real numbers. All real numbers. Okay. So this main idea is plain our graph. Let me write some answer here. So keeping in mind this important concept, keep it in mind, and then try to solve or find the answer of our problem here. So we have different possible answers here. Look at this. We have one possible answer could be I would like to write the answers. So one possible answer could be y such y is greater than 0. That's one possible answer. So the other one, we have y such y less or equals than 0, right? The other one could be y such y is the third one greater or equals than 0, right? Also, another one is all real numbers. All real numbers. Okay, it's another possible answer. Which one? What else? Another one, y such y less than 0. So one of these is the right answer if you see the graph. Okay, here. In this case, remember the range. What I mean the range? We are talking about here the range. We have to looking for the range. Is of a function is the set, it is the set of all y values or possible y values. The y, this is y. We have y. So you see the graph, look, we have y, the value negative y and positive y. So what is the answer then? So this is the right answer. All right numbers. This is the right answer for our graph or a problem here. See? So this is the answer. Okay, let's try to find the answer, or let's how work the domain. So this is the range. Find the domain. Where is the domain? Where is the domain here? Now, in another problem, domain. So domain. Let me make a picture. So we will find the answer from the graph. So this is y, this is x, and then let me divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. So I want to mark some point in this graph. The graph is crossed to here, and then it's a 1 right here, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a negative 6. It's another point right here. Not here. It's close to here, and then 2 is right here. Just to make up some picture, and then 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 5, 3, 4, 5 right here. So let's do right here 7, and then the last point 10 and 7. 7. So this graph is running like this. Okay? Alright, just because I want to explain with the graph how work the domain. So this is our graph. We have here also different possible answers here too. One answer is, could be the domain. What is the domain of this logarithmic function? Alright, one, it could be here in this way. I want to explain what I mean all this information. So here we have, this is infinity. 0, infinity, and then we have negative infinity through here, 0, and then you see the sign in this way. What is in this way? Okay, so what is in this way? Our sign. And then also we have, so those are different, one is the right answer, but those are possible answers. Here we have 0, that's infinity. So I want to explain those signs. Okay, the domain, for instance, here domain is you write it right here, h, and then like this. Okay. So meaning all numbers to the right of the vertical. This all real numbers, all to the vertical asymptote. All right. So this means x equals h. So in range, let me write again here something. Range is all real numbers. So, and what I mean, the sign is something like this. Okay, it's not 8, it's a mean infinity. Let's lay it down, right? Like that. So, but I would like to explain it. This sign, that's very important. When you have the sign in this way, this means the number is greater than. Here means is here is greater than. Okay, it's greater than when you have it, and then when you have the sign like that, look at this, and this way, greater than or equals to. Here, greater okay, the sign is different, and then when you have the sign in this way, this is less than. It's very important. Remember this, all signs, okay? And then also when you have this sign in this way, like for instance here, okay, this is less than or equal to. And then also if we have the sign like this, what I mean this mean, this very important, okay, no lower that, no lower limit. Okay, very important ideas. And then you see the sign in this way, like this, then this means no upper limit. Okay, see, okay, I explained all signs. So now, where is the domain of this logarithmic function here? Then, where is the right answer? Also, I would like to explain it a little bit more something. When you have, for instance, one case like -1 and 3, and this way, this means here means -1 here, okay, less than n less or equals than 3. That means, let's give me another example here, because we have some numbers like that, okay, it's 3 in this way, but different. This means here n is less or equals than 3. See? Do you understand me? Okay. So now let's try to find the answer in our problem. In our problem. So let me erase now. After I explained everything here, and then let's write the answer. Okay, you have or we have those possible answers. So the domain here, the domain of this domain of this logarithmic function, it is 0, comma here, this one. That's the right answer. Why? Since here, since all possible x values, remember x values of x, see, look at this, this is the x-axis is running in this way. We don't see negative values in x. All values are positive. So since all possible values are to the right, all, see, I told you, are to the right of the vertical asymptote. Say those the values are the, what is the asymptote or vertical? So in this case, our asymptote is what is here in our case? X is equals 0. See right here. So that's why this is the domain, the right answer to our problem. Okay? Thank you so much. As I told you, if you discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential. Thank you.